This is a complete beginner guide to Steam in 2026. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get your application, or you can get into your Steam website, right? So in here, open any sort of browser and in here search for Steam. This is the first link that you want to click. If you want to install Steam, click on install Steam and go along with the process of how you'll be able to do it, or else you can simply click on sign in right here and sign into your account. So in here, if you do not have your own account, then you can click on create an account and go along with the process of how you'll be able to create an account. Right now I do have my account, so I'm going to simply sign into my account, right? So in here, after signing into your account, this is the first interface that you will be seeing. So there's a lot of things that you can do. The very first thing that you can do is obviously explore the store and library. In here, if you scroll down a bit here, you'll be able to explore all of these games that you might want to play. You can click on the search icon right here and search for the exact game you want to play. If you want to buy them, you can simply click on add to cart and go along with the process, right? So in here, there's a lot of things that you can do. If you get to your community here, you'll be able to see all of your community activities. So you can join any community if you want, and in here you can get your account activity from here too. In here, if you click on chat here, you'll be able to chat along with the people that you might meet during the game. Here you can see, you can also like talk to your friends and you can also like create your group chats and everything. So let's just go back, and lastly, if you click on support, if you like ever want any sort of, let's just say issues with your game, or you do not know any sort of settings, then you can actually come to the support option and select what you want support with and go along with the process of how you'll be able to fix it. So if you click on this bell like icon right here, you'll be able to see all of your notifications on your Steam account. And likewise, if you again click on this profile icon, and now you'll be able to view your profile. So yeah, this is it. This is exactly how you will be able to play games, do everything on Steam.